This is a 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible. Very nice original color here with it definitely adds some pizzazz. Very youthful looking. And of course we have the charcoal interior, which was common for the time. Bucket seats and console. Automatic. And it has a modern sound system there and air conditioning, factory air. And you notice the wood grain dash looks nice. And the deluxe steering wheel. And we have some switches there underneath the dash. Definitely very similar to the Mustang of the time, sharing much of the same in terms of doors and interior trim and so on. And of course the engines. Underneath the hood is a 351 Cleveland, and the owner very graciously raised the hood so you'll see what the engine looks like. Notice the pinstriping and the original wheels. We'll get to the underhood in a minute. And we have a book here of the car, pictures of it during restoration. And that all happened right after the Hurricane Sandy came through North Jersey. And so the owner brought his car to a shop, restoration shop, that had really been hard hit by the, he's showing there, was pointing to where the water was in the repair shop. And this is all after that was cleared out and the owner could begin restoration. I think we forget natural disasters pretty quickly after time passes. So this car originally was from New Jersey and had a lot of rust damage in the panels, but that was taken care of. I always like the taillights on these cars, very wide. The pinstriping really brings out the color of the car too. So now, as promised, we open the hood, and here's the 351 Cleveland. Notice the new compressor. They are more efficient than the old types. And this, despite the air cleaner saying 2-barrel carburetor, this has a 4-barrel. So really, really cool car. Really stands out from the crowd.